Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and today, you're gonna stop playing and hit that like, you're gonna hit that subscribe, you're gonna shoot your boy a comment. You know what? I appreciate y'all, I really do. I can't say it enough, I really appreciate y'all. But enough of the jibber jabber, let's get into this. And it's a good old Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Silver one, actually. Super common thing within the G7X family. Basically, loose screen, and I'm gonna put my tweezer. Where are my tools? My tweezer there to show y'all. Oh, this is hanging on by literally one screw. Interesting. Can I get some tools, Billy? How did I start this without having any tools? Billy, you're done, dude. You're fired. You're freaking fired, dude. We actually have a missing screw as well. We're gonna remove this back panel, retrieve those two screws that hold the bracket from the inside, and replace that one screw. I have a junkyard for G7X. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Get your tools, they're right there, handsomeshop.com. This should be quick and easy, dude and dudettes. The only not cool thing is that one lonely screw holding in the back panel is the only screw holding in the bracket. So this shall be fun. Hope everybody's doing well, staying positive, staying focused. One's longer than the other. Here you go. All right, so this screw has to come off, and what I'm going to do is take that screw off, and then I am going to keep that right there. We're going to... Ooh, this thing needs a cleaning as well. I can hear the screws moving around. There goes one. There's one more, but this... There's the other one. Boom, boom. All right, so back LCD panel. This is for the bracket, that's right. LCD flex is right there. It's a little different than the version 2. Boom, now we have that. Billy, Loctite. You're done. You're done, Billy. You got Loctite everywhere. Oh, look, they got longer screws for the 3. Jeez, Manetti. Doesn't help. You're gonna dip your screws in Loctite. If you ask me where to get Loctite in the comments, you will be fired. Make sure them things tight. See what I'm talking about? Egoop. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fired. It's weird, I always make the same noises, right? Even with my kids, I'll be joking with them and I'll do it and they're like, Daddy, stop. Back to the business at hand. Alright, we are going to set this back in. Thought I would be able to get lucky. And I did. Just like with the latest. Alright. Alright, boom. Now, can I test ya? Let's see what's going on. What's going on? You're dirty. Touchscreen works. We're good. Change battery pack. Thank you. Come again. So that one screw does go here. And we need another screw to replace there, but before we do that, we are going to put back all the other screws. Got both of them. Don't forget you. I think I took one of these in the other day. Uh-oh, don't do this. Get your butt in there right now, partner, buckaroo. Like I was saying, I think I took one in with water damage, or I bought one off somebody for like 2 cigarettes. Let's see. I did not. Junkyard, where do you... Come on, hurry up, man. I ain't got all day. G7X, boom. This, y'all. G7X screws. Killer. Hey, I literally found one right next to my desk. Still save your screws, that's why. All right, y'all, that was a quickie. So that is tightening the internal hinge screws on a Canon G7X Mark III. But I appreciate your time. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a comment, stop playing with yourself. Thank you for all the love. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no